Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a newsletter with Canva. So first things first, go to any web browser and then look for sign up Canva or type sign up Canva, and then you can now create your Canva using your email and password, or just connect your Canva to your Google account, which is for me the easiest. Once you have your account here in Canva, go to create a design, and then in the search icon you have to type here newsletter. So basically, you can see a different options for newsletter right here. You can choose from a newsletter portrait. You can also select this email, classroom, school, and so on. So for me, I want to choose the first one. And then let's say, or let's just say I wanted to create a fashion newsletter. This is the design, and I strongly suggest to use the Canva Pro or the Pro version of Canva to see more templates and designs. So I'm going to pick from any of this template right here and drag this to the blank page. And all you need to do is to edit, replace the picture, replace the information, replace the headline, and so on. So you can change this one with your name or the name of your company. And then here you can add information of your company right here, or any updates and so on. Change the picture. You can upload your picture and then drag this, for example. And then here you just have to simply edit. If you want to add text, you just have to go to text. If you want to add effects, change font, change size, and so on, just go to the upper side. And then again, if you want to add some pictures, just upload your image and then drag this to each frame. And basically that's it. If you want to look for other templates, you just have to go to design and then select other template right here, and then change everything if you want. You can just basically adjust the frames and the text box and the details. And after that, you can tap on the share icon. You can basically download this via PDF, PNG, and others. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.